welcome to 3.TV. I am your host Ruchi Sharma. Well, the Web3 space is seeing a huge influx of fund, especially in the artificial intelligence segment, thanks to ChatGPT and similar other products that have disrupted not only the way businesses are shaping up, but the immense potential it offers, touching every aspect of daily life. Of late, the optimism has subsided and so did the capital flow. In August, the fund flow has grounded to a lowest point not seen in over 2 years. Venture capitalists invested less than $500 million in crypto businesses in August, according to the Block Research data. Except for a few red-hot sectors such as artificial intelligence, venture funding levels have fallen dramatically this year. A Crunchbase report in April found that total VC investment in the first quarter of the year came in at $76 billion, down from $162 billion in the same period of 2022. The notable funding activity included Bitco raising $100 million in August, while WorldCoin Developer Tools for Humanity and EagleLayer collected $115 million and $50 million respectively. Against the backdrop of drying fund flow, let's hit the deal street for this week. D-Matrix Corporation, a startup that designs and builds high-efficiency silicon and generative artificial intelligence compute platforms for data centers, has raised $110 million in an oversubscribed Series B funding round led by Singapore-based global investment firm Temasek. The company builds specialized chips and platforms that target the deployment of generative AI at the inference stage. This is when an AI is being used to predict and produce new information from data it has never seen before, such as when it's providing assistance, advice, or insights. This funding announcement follows the launch of D-Matrix Jayhawk 2 chiplet last month, featuring enhanced DIMC architecture. With this new chiplet-based platform, D-Matrix says that its customers can gain a 10 to 20 times increase in efficiency over graphical processing units and 10 to 20 times saving in cost. Existing investors, Playground Global, Microsoft Corporation's M12 Venture Fund, Nautilus Venture Partners and Entrada Ventures also participated in the round and were joined by new investors including Industry Ventures, Ericsson Ventures, Marlin Holdings, Mirai Asset and Samsung Ventures. D-Matrix received $44 million in a funding round in April 2022 led by M12 and Korean semiconductor maker SK Hynix Incorporation. The round brings the company's total funding to $154 million. D-Matrix deal reminds me of oil-to-chemical behemoth Reliance Industries partnering with Nvidia, the largest chip maker. The generative AI space is hotting up. Next on the list is fundraising by the US startup Helm.ai, which opened its first international office in Dusseldorf, Germany for AI software for driverless car developers. This follows a $55 million Series C funding round led by Freeman Group with participation from venture capital firms ACVC Partners and Amplo, as well as strategic investments from Honda Motors, Goodyear Ventures, and Sungwoo High-Tech. Helm.ai provides OEMs and Tier 1 companies with hardware-agnostic AI software for advanced driver assistance and L4 driverless car systems. The deal we are covering is from the decentralized exchange space. Brian Fay has raised $16.5 million at a valuation of $100 million in an investment round led by Pantera Capital. Elevation Capital, Starkware Limited, Spartan Group, Goodwater Capital, Upsparks Ventures, Proto Fund Ventures were the leading participants in the fundraising round. The fresh funding is notable given that venture capital for digital asset firms has mostly dried up, with cryptocurrency and blockchain startups receiving 76% less investment in Q2 2023 than the same period 1 year earlier, Crunchbase reported in July. Brian Fay, powered by Ethereum scaling system Starkware, is a non-custodial decentralized order book that allows privacy for trading positions via so-called zero-knowledge proofs. Traders can thus place large orders without worrying about front-running or spooking orders. The platform also boasts high-speed trade execution. It opened for traders in May and recently executed $3 million to $4 million daily trading volume. Next deal is a fintech company. Gen2, a fintech platform that specializes in securitization, raised $15 million in a Series A funding round led by hedge fund luminary Steve Cohen's Point72 Ventures, the company said on its website. The Zurich-based firm plans to use the funding to grow internationally and to develop its financial engineering platform. Pete Casella, senior partner and co-head of fintech investments at Point72 Ventures, also joins Gen2's board of directors, the firm said. Point72 Ventures is a global venture capital fund based in New York and Menlo Park in California. Its investments range from $250,000 to $50 million, and it invests from pre-seed to pre-IPO. Next, and the final deal on our radar is that of HR tech startup Atomic Work. It has raised $11 million in its seed funding round and officially launched its platform after emerging from stealth mode. The funding round was led by Bloom Ventures and Matrix Partners and also saw participation from Storm Ventures, Neon Fund, and prominent angel investors, the startup said in a statement. Funded in September 2022 by Rajapati, Kiran Darisi, and Parsuram Vijay Shankar, Atomic Work leverages AI to improve employee experience while simplifying the number of tools employees interact with every day. Atomic Work operates atop collaboration tools such as Slack and Microsoft Teams, harnessing conversational intelligence to automate support, service delivery, and operational tasks at a large scale. The funding announcement comes at a time when Indian startups are experiencing funding winter. Funding in startups plunged to $5.4 billion in H1 2023 compared to $19 billion in the corresponding period of last year, as per Inc.42's report. With that last update, we have come to an end of the special edition, The Deal Corner. Do like and share our channel. This is me, Ruchi Sharma, signing off. For more such updates and our interesting stories, log on to our website www.3versetv.io or scan the QR code.